Well, hi there, it's John Foster here. Just thought I'd give a quick video. I was on a competition from Akaso all through July, and I was, well, absolutely astounded when I had a pop-up on their competition sort of saying that I'd actually won one of these Akaso V50 Pro SEs, and it's arrived. I'm absolutely gobsmacked. Just a quick look inside, because I haven't actually fully opened this, but just opened up the side. Let's have a little look. Oh, wow, is that nice? How well presented is that? Sort of miniature boxes there, camera in one. I would say accessories and such in here. Not quite sure on here. Oh, it looks like a manual of some kind, I think. We'll have to have a look at that later. So anyway, yeah, I won. And I had jammy so-and-so. I'm very, very lucky. Well, we'll take a little unbox and have a look at this. Okay, so we'll open this up and have a look and see what we have inside. I'm just going to move this over a bit so we can see. It's very well packaged indeed. It comes really well. Very well presented, I will give it. So you've got, I thought this was the manual, but in fact it's actually a sleeve here. You can download the full manual with the QR code or visiting the Akaso Tech website, and sort of kind of gives you a quick start guide, so you've got the batteries and things. So let's have a little look. Let's pop that back into this sleeve there, so we'll come back to that in a moment when we need to. So the manual, and let's have a look, see what we can see. Oh, okay, so like a filler box there, look. So it comes in another box here, so this must be with the goodies, so we'll get that box out, and then the one we're looking for is the main box here as well. Let's see if we can get this out as well. Take that out again, so excuse me. There we go, look, there we are. So the main box we'll put to one side, manual bits and pieces. Let's have a little look at this as well. So wow, it's very well packaged and presented. So underneath we go, and okay, so this will slide out like so. Wow. So you've got the main box itself. Okay, so it comes on the stands and on a box ready. Very well, nicely done. So let's take a look at the camera itself. So let's take it out of this protective case. There we go. So undo that. Open that up. I'm expecting that to undo. Oh yeah. Oh, there's a nice seal around there. Look, you suddenly can pick that out. Wow, that's very good. See if we can get the camera out. Yes, we can. There we go, look. We are. So obviously if you're going anywhere near water, you're going to want to put it into the case. But the actual camera itself is this sort of size, which is really small. So in terms of size, let's have a little look. So you're looking at sort of 58-ish, 59 millimeters across. So maximum depth around about 33 to 34, and the maximum width across there about 40. It's really quite nice and dinky and small, well packaged. Quite a nice, almost like a rubberized material. Yeah, wow, first impression is really good. So you've got your camera. Let's take a look inside this box. Wow, look at this. A plethora of straps, zip ties, sticky pads, lenses, the remote. There's a little remote as well. Wow, that's really nice. Look at that. So a remote as well for it. Wow. Oh wow, look at all of these accessories to be able to get you
to connect it to whatever you're looking for, the different types of mounts, cases around that you can put it in, like a key or some kind to do the nut that's on the side. Probably a key for this large nut, I would imagine. Yes, it is here. So it's a key to do that. Wow. So there's a plethora of parts and accessories and mounts and such like. Wow, absolutely amazing. This keeps coming. USB as well. Straps. Right, here we go. You get 2 batteries in there and a charger. So you got like a dual charger system. So that will be, yeah, okay, so there's your dual charger, and then your batteries will sit and charge like that. Let's put those plastic wrappers so we know where they are. Like a little there's like a little tab on the battery charger as well, so on the battery, so yeah, you can pull the tab and it pulls them out. Right, so you can put the batteries in and charge the batteries up as well with your USB connection as well. Wow, there's a lot here. What a great piece of kit. I really am looking forward to getting this up and running. And in this little box here, what do we got in here? Okay, so we've got like a card. Yeah, wow. And inside here, what have we got inside here? Oh, that's a shame. The poor little net thing, like an Akaso figure. I think I can mend that back and put that back on. Oh wow, that is so sweet. Akaso, you're amazing. Actually, that's really, really nice. I shall put my I shall glue this back on. Unfortunately, from China to here, this was the only thing that got broken. So wow, I shall put that back on and hopefully that'll look good. But don't it look good? Wow, yeah. So I'm going to be obviously getting this up and running and charged, and hopefully I can start capturing some videos of the cars running, because I didn't want to use my iPhone 12 as a video capture device in case I bashed into it and caused it to break. So yeah, I've got a plethora of parts here to work out and sit down with. I'm going to spend obviously a couple of hours or so probably investigating this further and see how things work for me. Yeah, but we think 2 batteries as well. I'm just waiting for a high-speed micro SD card, and then I'll be able to get this up and running. So yeah, I've got a 64 gigabit micro SD card coming of a class 10 UHS 3 to give me the speed that you need for the card to capture the images in a high resolution. So yeah, wow, look at that. And even a little figure, and I'm gonna get that mended. Beautiful, well, beautifully presented. So from a jammy old guy like me, a very happy man, finally got an action camera that I could use, and I'm hoping this is very good. I've heard some good reviews on YouTube as well from other YouTube suppliers, and yeah, I'm sorry I couldn't really go to the market leader because budget was a bit there, but then this came along, and I was very jammy to be able to win this. So I'm very, very grateful for being very lucky indeed to win such a great piece of equipment that will be very useful. Wow, so yeah, let me get into this and come back to you with some footage. Thank you for stopping by, and thank you for giving me your time today. Thank you, and do take care. Hope to see you soon with some video footage of some RC cars.